Hi, and welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps channel for another product reveal. Today we are sharing the Big Hugs word dies. Here's what your die looks like when you receive it. You can either bend the dies apart or use some wire snips, or you could just leave it as is. I love this big hug sentiment. The heart over the eye is just too cute, and I love the XOXO sentiment as well. I've die cut them out of some brown cardstock so you can see what they look like. The big measures 2 by 1.5 inches. The H measures 1 by 1 and 5/8 inch. The UG is 1 and 5/8 by 1 and 1/8. The S is a ½ inch by 3/4. And the exo sentiment is 2.5 by 1/2 inch. I've cut these out of some white and orange cardstock and layered them together on this fun shaker card. I thought the big hug sentiment would be super cute with our baby sea creatures and an octopus and jellyfish. I've also used some of the new Slimline paper that was released today. You can find all of the new releases by using the links down below. If you'd like to see how this shaker card came together, you can head over to my personal channel using the link down below. Also head over to our Instagram and Pinterest as well as our Facebook inspiration group where you can find more inspiration using these brand new products. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.